Let's take a look at how the stock market fared today. Tesla is up $4.26. That's almost 2%, closed at 220.25. Let's look at what this means on the chart. So yesterday, after the earnings call, Tesla had a big drop. We seem to be stabilizing at 217.65 approximately. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, let's see how the day fared. So we started pretty good on the first hour of the day. Nice green candle, but you see here, boom, right smack on our high we had at 226 yesterday. Yeah, we still could not break 26 today also. So we tried at the 4th hour, 5th, and we see that we are caving in for the last 2 hours. So 226 is an intraday resistance that we cannot break. So basically right now we are into a small congestion zone on the 1 hour chart between 217.67 and 226.18. If we break above, you could be good for a little bit of a trade, a little bit of a move. If we go down, then we are in the same direction of this downtrend, so we could be going lower. So these are the two numbers to watch during the day. If we take a look at the daily chart and zoom out a little bit, we see that we are back inside our big bearish channel that started in November 2021. This is almost 3 years. We broke outside of it not too long ago when we had the big move up in July. But now we are back into this downward bearish channel. So we don't know where this will go. We have some support right here. This is around $200 depending on when we are going to reach it. So this is the support that I am watching. Are we going to respect this bullish channel we have right here? Right now we are back into this big bearish channel. So we'll see what happens. In terms of the indicator, stochastic is at 40. And all of our technical indicators on the chart are bearish. So it's clearly not the time to buy Tesla. Some people buy because a stock goes lower and they think, oh, I am getting it at a discount. Yes, it is a discount if you compare to what it was not too long ago. This is a discount, but when we are into a downward channel, it is supposed to continue down. So even though you are getting it at a discount right here, it is supposed to continue. So if it continues, then you are going to get a much better discount later on. So this dollar cost averaging thing, I don't believe in that too much. I prefer to look at trends. We had a trend that lasted for 3 years right here. This is a 3-year trend. If something works for 3 years, you should maybe believe it, and we had a smaller trend right here that lasted approximately a year. So, these lines last a long time and they show us what the pattern is for Tesla. So right now, I personally would not get back into Tesla yet. I would wait for Tesla to stabilize somewhere at least a week and then show us the motivation to go higher. So we are far from that right now. So let's just be patient. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is continuing higher. When the VIX is going up, the stock market is going down. We have seen the VIX starting to go higher and higher. This is one of the reasons why we are seeing what we are seeing in the stock market. Bonds are going sideways. They are not affecting the market today. Take a look at the stock indices. So stock indices, Dow Jones, we have lost stochastic. We are up a little bit today, but this means nothing because we are still below our horizontal resistance at 40,041. If we break back and close above, then I'm going to change my mind. But until we are lower than that 40,041, we are not bullish for Dow Jones. SPX is continuing his way down today, so we are down a further 0.61%. So this is the current channel we are in. This is the current channel. It is supposed to continue. This is what a channel means. If it breaks this diagonal resistance right here, then we are going to conclude that it's no longer going down. But right now, it's still going down. Nasdaq, the same thing. We are continuing down. We could have some support at 18,336. We'll see if it holds. Let's take a look at some important stocks. So Apple is back into its congestion zone. It's no longer bullish. This one is consolidating. It should be going into this congestion zone. It should have support at 206.87. Amazon, we are back into the congestion zone. We seem to be bouncing on this bullish channel support. You see it here, channel support. We are bouncing on this. This is only one candle. Let's see if we can maintain that. AMD continuing down. Maybe it's going to stop at 131.62. Adobe, this one seems to be stopping at 527.56. This has been 2 candles, so we'll see if it holds. ARM, it's trying to hang on to 150.21. Really trying, but we broke it today. So technically, this is now a sell. Google, we are back into this big bullish channel. We just broken 172 right here. I cannot say this is looking good. I cannot say this is looking good. This is a short in my opinion. Microsoft, same thing. The short is continuing. It was there yesterday. It is continuing. Meta, hanging on above 452.07. So this one is not a short. NVIDIA, this one is a short. We had this support that was broken yesterday. This is a continuation. Palantir, a green candle. This is pretty surprising. We don't have stochastic over 60, but so far we are holding above 25.52. SMCI, this one is so close. This one is hanging on to 695.59. I'm not going to call it a short yet because this is just right on the line. And there's the earnings call that is going to happen not too long away. So maybe this is why there's some glimmer of hope. Maybe the buyers are still hanging on that earnings call and hoping that it is going to be good. So far, this is a green day, but we made a lower low and a lower high. So this is still coming down. Take a look at our EV stocks. So support is holding. We are even rebounding on that support. That's pretty surprising. I would not buy yet. I would wait for a couple more candles to be sure that it really wants to stay above this support. And also, I wouldn't want it to break at 30.79 also. Okay, Lucid was back into its congestion zone right here. Now it's back outside of it. So maybe we have reached the low. This is only one candle, so I don't know yet. But maybe 336 is going to hold it. Neo Battery Material, nothing. Neo, nothing. Novonic, not interesting. And Pang, Rivian continuing down, losing stochastic. This one should go to 15.17. Nouveau Graphite going downwards. Nikola Mining, this is a good day considering everything. We are moving up. Bitcoin cannot stay above 67,288. So now we should be getting down to 57,782. XRP maintaining itself well. Gold is continuing down. Silver even worse, outside of the congestion zone. So this one is going down to 905. So yes, VIX is continuing higher. This is having a big impact on the stock market. We cannot say it's a crash yet, because we have been going higher and now we are losing what we gained. But, we still have some bullishness in some stocks, not all of them. For sure, this is not nice to be in the market right now. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you an